Good morning. Here you can see the topic refrigerated foods. Refrigerated foods, okay? And here I have noted down 5 points. A total of 5 points I have noted down here. So, what is the topic? Refrigerated foods. Means here I want to discuss both the merits and demerits of refrigerated foods. What is the merit that is known to you? Why we use refrigerator that is known to everybody for getting cold water, for storage of vegetables, different types of foods, whether it is vegetables or non-veg items, okay? Whether it is a raw state or whether it is in cooked state. So, why we refrigerate? Why you use refrigerator? To keep all those things, to keep them fresh for a longer period of time. Am I right? To keep those things, means food items, for a longer period of time, we normally use refrigerator, and for other purposes also there, to get cold water, to make ice creams, etc. Okay. But, so these are the merits of refrigerator. Am I right? It is known to you, it is known to everybody, I think. But here in this video, I want to discuss about demerits. What is the problem of using refrigerator? If you do not use the refrigerator properly, then what will happen? Okay, what will happen in that case? So, for that thing, I have noted down here total of 5 points. Point number 1 is food spoilage. Food spoilage. How foods are spoiled? Because due to the growth of bacteria and fungi, foods are spoiled. So, in normal temperature, means when the foods are not kept inside the refrigerator. So, in normal temperature, the growth rate of bacteria and fungi are fast, okay. But whenever you are keeping the food items inside the refrigerator, okay, so in that case, due to low temperature inside the refrigerator, the growth rate of bacteria, fungi, etc. slows down, but not stopped fully. Just keep in your mind that growth rate of those harmful bacteria, fungi, etc. slows down, but not fully stopped. So, if you keep food items inside the refrigerator for a longer period of time, then what will happen? You know that you have to eat spoiled foods. And due to eating of spoiled foods, there is a chance of foodborne illnesses. Second point is foodborne illnesses. Okay. So, what are the foodborne illnesses? What are the symptoms? Symptoms is like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, okay, etc. These are the symptoms if you eat spoiled foods. So, whenever the food items are kept inside the refrigerator for a longer period of time, in that case, these things happen. Okay, so these are called foodborne illnesses. So now come to third point, mold growth. Okay, mold growth. I have already told you in the very first point that food spoilage is there. If you keep if you keep foods inside the refrigerator for longer period of time, then in that case there is mosquito is there. Mold growth, it will not be stopped fully. Okay, and again in some molds are there which can grow in cold environment also. inside the refrigerator the environment is cold. That is known to you. But some modes are there which can grow in cold weather or cold environment also. Okay. So inside the refrigerator those molds can grow, and those molds also means if you eat those moldy foods, then in that case also there will be foodborne illnesses. So that was the third point. Now fourth point is what? Cross contamination. Cross contamination means normally inside the refrigerator we keep different types of foods. So contaminants or the harmful bacteria, fungi, etc. from one food can move to other food. Means from one food those things can contaminate the other foods kept inside the refrigerator. So when one food has already been spoiled, so that spoiled food is able to contaminate other foods kept inside the refrigerator. So this is also a demerit of using refrigerator, right? And the last point is nutrient loss. We know that foods are having some nutritional value, and just to get nutrition we eat food. That is known to everybody. But if you keep foods inside the refrigerator for longer period of time, especially the fruits and vegetables, okay, for all the foods same thing occur, but for fruits and vegetables the loss of nutrient is much more than as compared to other foods. Okay, so loss of nutrient is there. So now we can see these are the problems of using a refrigerator. So it is advisable that it's better not to use a refrigerator to store any types of foods. Still, if you are bound to use a refrigerator for your personal problem, okay, any problem, okay, then use the refrigerator properly. Try to keep food items for shorter period of time. On a regular basis, clean the refrigerator. Okay. So you have to maintain the refrigerator as well as the foods in a proper way. Okay. To avoid such things. Such things are not good. You can easily understand. Okay. Use them means use refrigerator but properly. Okay. Okay. So this is the end of this lecture. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.